Today, I'm on the popular development of Hartnell's Farm, showcasing this immaculately presented 4-bedroom detached family home. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic property, or indeed a valuation on your own home, then please do get in touch.